Good morning, students. I am Asutosh Ranjan, science teacher from Modern English School, Bihar Sharif branch. Today I am going to deliver my second lecture for your chapter Safety First. In my previous lecture, I have discussed about safety at home from fall and from fire. Today I will discuss some safety about electric shock and poisoning. As we know that in so many machines, so many necessities are completed by using electricity in our home. So electricity is very useful to us, but same time if we do not treat with electricity properly, it may be dangerous to us. So when we operate electrical appliances, electrical switch, electrical devices, we should be careful while handling it. We should never touch any uncovered wire by hand. We should not operate any electrical appliances with weight bodies. It caused any electric shock and may be more and more dangerous. If there is fault in electric supply, electric wiring, electric switch or any electric appliance, quickly we should repair it. If we ignore it, it may be dangerous to us. So for safety, we should use slippers while operating, dry slippers while operating any electric switch or electrical appliances, and in case of any damage, any fault in electric wiring or any electric appliances, we should quickly repair it. When we feel careful to these faults, these things, we will enjoy properly of electricity. Same time, poisoning is also a problem which can be created. Poisoning is also an accident which can take place in our home. So for the protection from poisoning, we should also careful and follow these rules. Children should or any person should not take any medicine without advice of any doctor or any expert. No one should take any medicine by their own desire. If we know about that medicine, then we should take, otherwise we should take advice to any expert or any doctor. It may be poisoning for us. We should never eat any contaminated and liver-robbed food of 2 days, 3 days. It may cause poisoning in our digestive system. We should keep poisonous substances in our home separately. It may be possible that any child can intake these poisonous substances by playing. So for the protection, if there is some poisonous materials in our home, then we should keep it out of reach of any child. We should never eat any spoiled food and never take medicine by their own. If we follow these types of safety precautions, we should protect us from any unnecessary damage, unnecessary injury. So these are some accidents which can take place in our home due to our carelessness, poisoning and electric shock. But when we careful while operating these electric appliances and by taking medicine, taking food, if we careful, then we can protect us from these types of accidents. So be careful to these safety rules. For today, that's all. Thank you. Have a nice day.